This is a huge week, huge week for crypto. We're going to get into the two main things that you need to keep an eye on. By the way, subscribe to this channel. Links right below. Hit that little subscribe button. It's free. Come on, subscribe. All right. And I'll keep you updated. So there is a massive week brewing right now. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know and all that in this video. All right. So with that, let's do this. Thank you for your support, by the way. All right. So we've got a situation where the crypto market is at 842 billion market capitalization, down 1.6%. Bitcoin did fall below 17,000 today. Ethereum is been down a little bit as well, but it's trading in a tighter range, and the rest of the blue chips are kind of doing similar. And if you look, I'm going to tell you about what's going on this week. But if you look out of the top 100, TON is up the most, and it's only up 4.78%. Trust Wallet token and Chili's are leading the way as far as down percentage movers. Okay, so here's what's going on. Okay, this does matter for crypto. It is a big week for crypto because we have a little bit of uncertainty. And here's what's going on. Tomorrow, we get the CPI report. The Consumer Price Index report comes out tomorrow. This is the report that's going to tell us the November, basically, inflation scenario as it relates to on the consumer side. So, the cost of groceries, gas, the core CPI, all of these different scenarios. Okay. It currently, the October numbers were 7.7%, which was a move down. We were north of 8%. So that was that was the October report that we got in November, if that makes sense. Okay. So, and we don't really know what to expect with this one. All right. With this report. So this is the November report we're going to get tomorrow. This is one of the key reports that has been part of the kind of the 1, 2, 3 body blow punch scenario that's been playing out in crypto this entire year. It is inflation and all of the, the effects of it that has decimated and gutted the stock market and crypto this year in 2022, because it's inflation that's created the rampant fear, uncertainty, and doubt, all that kind of stuff. So tomorrow we get the CPI report, and we get it at approximately, I believe, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. So that's number one. Okay. Number two, on the 15th, which is today's the 12th, 13th, 14th, Thursday. On Thursday, the 15th, we get the decision from the Fed, the Federal Reserve, with the FOMC meeting on what they're going to do as far as raising interest rate. Now, here's the issue. We were expecting basically a 50 basis points raise. There's now rumblings of we might get another 75 basis points raise, because the jobs report that we got earlier this month was out of whack, was not what we were expecting. It was a surprise. Okay. It wasn't the numbers we wanted to see. So you have that coupled with what's going on with CPI, the Consumer Price Index report, as well as a couple of other, reports that the Fed does look at. There's rumblings and there's a possibility of a 75 basis point raise. If we get a 75 basis points raise, everything is going to go blood red. And I'm really using those words as an appropriate metaphor to paint that visual perspective for you. If we get the 50 basis point raise, we're only going to get, we should be green. Okay. So that's what I got for you. Stay tuned. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you later. Thanks.